County National Bank after spending a little time in the County National Bank Green Room. CNB Branch Manager Tessa Simmons. Hi, Tessa.
Hi, Bart.
Good to see you. Welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, how'd you like the CNB Green Room?
It's very comfortable.
Yes.
I enjoy it.
It's something we're very proud of, and we don't like people to have to wait, but you know what? They don't mind.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got a good selection of drinks and snacks.
Good. Yeah, I think we added something new, a couple of new. The Liquid Death. People are very popular.
Yes.
We are seeing all these flyers and people my age getting a bunch of mail about Medicaid, Medicare, open enrollment, but that's not the only open enrollment that's happening right now, is it?
Correct, yes. So I am here today to talk a little bit about HSAs, or health savings accounts.
HSAs, like Medicare, it's something that the government started, federal government, and like the Medicare, it has a limited window for enrolling, right?
So an HSA, you can enroll in an HSA account anytime in the year. You have to pair that with your qualified health plan that you would want to sign up for now during your open enrollment with your employer.
So that does have that same window of healthcare open enrollment.
Yes.
All right, well, what are HSAs?
So an HSA, or a health savings account, is almost a tax sheltered opportunity for you to save for medical expenses. So it gives you the opportunity to put in funds from your employer tax-free, so before you'd pay income tax on it. Then you earn interest on the funds in the account tax-free. And then as long as the funds are used for medical purposes, you don't pay taxes on the money when it comes out of the account.
Are there rules as to what medical services can qualify?
Yes, so it is important to make sure that what you're looking to use the funds for are qualified expenses. So the federal government does provide a list of those qualified expenses every year. They update it with new things. You can always reach out to your benefits coordinator with your employer and ask if something would be qualified, or we're happy to review that item with you at the bank as well.
What if somebody wants some work done?
If you can consider it for a medical purpose,
okay,
you can utilize it. So
Brandon?
I've seen all kinds of things.
Yeah, okay.
We've seen all kinds of things be considered medically necessary, though. Maybe you need medical massage. Maybe you have a sports injury, or you're a runner like me. So I could qualify my massages as part of my health care.
Oh, wow. So if somebody needed an eye lift, they'd have to say, oh, well, I can't see unless I get my eye lift.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
What about things? Can you buy, can you load up at the drugstore and count those towards use the HSA?
You can. So you can use it not only just for your prescriptions, so those things maybe your doctor has called in for you, but you can also use it for any of those over-the-counter expenses. So the little things like your ibuprofen that you might need to buy, or Band-Aids, or cough medicine. We're kind of getting into that cough and cold season. So you can buy your cough and cold medicine. You can buy cough drops. Things like that support your medical well-being.
So essentially, it's really taking money off the top of your income for tax purposes. It becomes tax-free as you spend it on health.
Yes, so it can help you reduce your overall taxable income, in addition to getting those tax-free savings that you earn interest on.
Well, it seems like everyone should have one.
They're a great opportunity.
Yeah. How does one open one?
So there's a couple of different ways that you can open them. At County National Bank, we have a HSA support department, and we are happy to come on site to your business and work directly with your employer to establish a relationship. We attend off-site open enrollment meetings, so we will come right to you where we can have the opportunity to open the account for you right then and there, so we can make it as convenient and easy as possible. If you're not partnering with an employer, we're happy to open an account for you on your own. You can stop into any one of our branches and get the documentation required, or you can visit our website and we offer a convenient online account opening opportunity as well.
Don't even have to leave the house.
You can sit on your couch in your pajamas.
You could sit in front of that fireplace at 1512 West Washington.
Exactly.
Yes. So, do you have a rule of thumb as to how much money should be in an HSA?
Yes, so there is a yearly contribution limit that is set by the federal government. So you can use as much money per year as you want, but you can only put in as much as they allow.
Oh.
So those dollar amounts do typically change on a yearly basis. The federal government establishes a cost of living adjustment and makes those changes. And then as long as you stay below that limit, you're home free. And you get the benefit when you reach age 55, you can put in additional money to help you catch up, essentially, and add extra funds.
What if you get to the end of the year and you've had no medical expenses, you haven't had to buy any Tylenol or anything? What happens to the money?
It is your money. So that's the other great benefit about an HSA. You don't lose that money. It's not a use it or lose it situation. You get to retain that money in your account and continue to build that balance and grow interest on the funds.
So it's like a savings account. It's actual interest earning like any other savings account.
Yes, absolutely. They're great if you're looking for long-term medical expenses. So maybe you know your child may need braces in 4 or 5 years. This is a great opportunity for you to start setting aside money now to help pay for those expenses when they arise.
How about some of the things that aren't covered in a typical health plan, like maybe eyeglasses, hearing aids, dental, those kinds of things?
Yes, you can absolutely use your HSA for those. Chiropractic, that's another one that's not covered by a lot of insurance, but that is something you can use this for.
Is there any fee or charges that you have at CNB for HSAs?
County National Bank does not charge any fees to set up or open these accounts. We don't have a minimum balance requirement because we know that your expenses can fluctuate. So we allow you to have a debit card to pay for those expenses. We don't have those minimum balance requirements, and we don't charge a fee to establish a relationship with a new employer either.
You have to fill out a lot of paperwork at the end of the year that, oh, this was, I used this for that, and this was, I covered this with that.
So at County National, we try to make it as convenient for you as possible. We will send you an end of year statement that lists all of your transactions for the whole year in one convenient document. And we also prepare and send you your tax documents directly to you at the end of the year.
Wow. And if somebody wants more information or would like you or anyone on your team to come to the workplace, you can do that.
Yes, absolutely. We can be reached by calling County National Bank and requesting HSA support, or we have an email, hsasupport@cnbb.bank, and you can reach us directly.
Wow, it's a whole department.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, thanks for all the news. A few things I never knew about.
Happy to share. Thank you.
Yeah, great to see you, Tessa.
You
Thanks
as
so much.
well. Thanks.
Tessa Simmons, branch officer. Oh, it's the Spring Arbor Road branch, by the way, if you want to stop by and see her and her team at County National Bank.